In just 2 minutes, we will teach you how to install a lattice top vinyl gate. This is a segment from a larger video which showed the full fence installation that accompanied this gate. The link to the full episode is in the description. Now keep in mind that this gate installation process will be the same regardless of the color vinyl you use. Now, let's get into the tutorial.
Let's get started with putting the hinges on the gate. Then we're going to take the latch rod and put it on the other side of the gate. Now when we're hanging the gate, we want to make sure that the top rail of the gate lines up with the top rail of the fence. So we have it marked on the gate post there, and we're going to put in one screw in the center of the hinge. So you see how we put it in the center here. That way, if after we screw it in, we need to lift it up or down, we have about 1.5 inches there to go up or down without you seeing that screw hole in the post here. So we always start with the center. If you started up here and you had to move it up or down, you're going to see that screw hole. We're going to do the same on the bottom. Now let's take a step back and look. And it looks like we did a fine job. Now the hinges we're using on these gates are self-closed, so I'm holding it open so that Jose can get the screws on the inside of the gate hinges over here. You see if I let go, it's gonna close right into Jose there. We don't want that. Now Jose is finishing up the hinges. On the latch side, we want to line the latch up in about the center of this mid rail here on a lattice top gate. I find that that works the best. Now you can adjust this based on the customer's preferences, but in this case the customer just left it up to us as the installers, so we always opt to kind of center it in this mid rail. Looks nice. Now that we have our gate screwed in on the hinge side and it's up, we want to adjust the hinges simply by using a wrench to turn the nuts on the hinges there. This will prop the gate up or down on either direction. And the key things we want to keep in mind when we're adjusting the gate are we want the gate to be level, and we want the space on the latch side and on the hinge side to be the same. So once that's all in place, we're going to install our latch on the other side. To install the latch, we're simply going to line the hole in the latch up with the latch rod, and then we're going to close the gate. Now the latch will be in the proper position for us to screw it into the gate post. Now our final step in hanging this gate is to put on the gate stop handle. I really like this handle because it doubles as a handle and a gate stop.